Welcome back. Well, it looks like you're going to need the rain gear for tomorrow. You can put it away for the weekend, but take it back out for Monday. We do have more rain and storms in the forecast. Active winter weather pattern today, though. A beauty out there. Chilly start in the mid-30s. Topped out at 62 degrees. And notice the records. We can have some pretty cold stuff this time of year. Don't see that happening anytime soon, although it's going to get colder as we get deeper to January. It is January after all. We'll see how it plays out. And we could be as warm as the lower 80s. We had a number of lower 80s last winter. I don't see that happening this winter at all. We'll probably have to wait till February or March before we see an 80-degree temperature. Let's take it to the weather wall. And as for rainfall, so far, 3/4 of an inch of rain for this month. That's after over 9-10 inches across portions of Acadiana in December. And we're going to be adding to that tomorrow, probably an inch or two of rain. I do like this bar graph because it not only shows when we're expecting the rain, the timing, the gray at night and the white during the day. It also shows rain chances. We're going 90% Monday. There we're pegged at 100% tomorrow. And toward the end of the week, it looks like we'll see better rain chances developing again toward Thursday night, perhaps Friday, as we round out next week. So let's take a look at the first two storm systems that we'll deal with. That's tomorrow's system out here by the Texas Panhandle. The other one here approaching British Columbia. This one's going to be more potent and may produce more rain, but will also give us a better chance of not only thunderstorms, but possibly strong to severe storms. And there's a low-end risk for severe weather tomorrow. We'll show you that in just a bit. Here's our low pressure here in New Mexico producing snow. Southwestern portions of Kansas into Colorado, New Mexico, northwestern Texas Panhandle. Showers developing now and impacting Dallas through the morning hours. This low pressure system is the one that's going to gain the momentum as this one kind of throws a forward pass. Why not use a football reference here to the one down along the coast. Back to the west, more winter storm warnings in advance of that next weather system that's going to be coming on in, and winter storm warnings for portions of New Mexico and winter weather advisories farther north and east. And as you go up the Appalachians, this is a winter storm watch for this storm system that'll be pushing on through. It's going to have some big snows with it for the interior portions of the mid-Atlantic at higher elevations and interior portions of, we'll say, the northeast into upstate New England, we'll say. Overnight tonight for us, we see the clouds on the increase. The breeze also increases out of the east-southeast. Will be 10 to 15, gusting to 20 first thing tomorrow morning. So a blustery start to the day. Temperatures in the mid-40s for your low. And here come the showers and embedded thunderstorms. And the closer to the low you are, the better chance you're going to have of strong thunderstorms. And you see that's impacting the coastal areas, Vermilion, Iberia, St. Mary Parish, and then pushes off to the east with the rains tapering by tomorrow afternoon, late tomorrow afternoon, early tomorrow evening. Lingering clouds as we head into Saturday and more than likely Sunday. Maybe a little sun for Saturday afternoon. I like the way this model looks. High clouds begin to evade as we go into Sunday ahead of Monday's system. So severe weather threat tomorrow. I-10 on southwards, just a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5. Maybe a storm that could produce damaging winds or an isolated tornado, but that's going to be right along the coast, maybe in the coastal marshes, not affecting population. We'll keep our fingers crossed on that. Then we go into Monday. Monday's weather system, a more widespread severe weather threat from Texas all the way over to Florida, and I would favor the eastern half of this outlook area to see maybe strong to severe storms as we head into Monday. And here's Monday's system. You can see lots of heavy-duty rain and storms across the region through Monday afternoon. So stormy period ahead. Tomorrow's rainfall, this is the latest graph model. They vary anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. Some spots get less and others a little bit more. The latest HER model run coming in pretty much the same, and I would favor the HER model because it's going closer to 1 to 2 coastal parishes, lesser amounts farther to the north, but we're all going to get an inch or two soaking, give or take a half inch, and that compares with the Euro. But then add the rainfall on Monday. We got some soaking wet weather on the way. We do need the rainfall though, especially in the coastal marshes, so we'll take it. 44 the low tonight, not as cold. Clouds gradually increasing as the night wears on. Then for tomorrow, the clouds will be thickening up and rain and storms will be likely from mid-morning through the afternoon hours. Locally heavy downpours, and as we indicated, about 1 to 2 inches of rain likely for most of us for tomorrow. So it's going to be a little bit of a stormy day indeed, kind of an indoor afternoon for sure. It improves tomorrow evening, and then we head into the weekend, not looking too bad, nice and cool. The next weather maker arrives on Monday, 1 to 2 inches or more with a better severe weather risk as well. And the end of next week, again, unsettled with with fronts and rain chances, the whole 9 yards. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.